The revenue and earnings for Marvell Technology have been trending in one direction, up. And although supply chain issues have made their presence felt, Marvell still managed to meet Wall Street expectations. So let's do a ChewDog short. And this is a 20-year monthly chart on Marvell Technology. The symbol is MRVL. For disclosure purposes, I do not hold any shares of Marvell Technology at this time. As you can see, the top there sliced right down here through the 20 and the 50 EMAs, and it's bottoming out somewhere in this 40 range right now. It's 42.91. Moving down, volume is not going to tell you too much. Here in the MAC, we can see the top, the rollover, the slice on down through the slow line. Moving here, the fast line is sitting right near the zero line, but the slow line is up here. So quite a separation between the two. That means volatility. That means there's time that's needed to heal this chart. Here you can see in the histogram, very deep, but perhaps the beginning stages of a bottoming and basing, but we still have a long way to go before we get to that zero line. Moving here into price rate of change, pretty much the same thing, big separation between the two. That means time needs to pass before this chart heals. But you can watch the sawtoothing happen as this should start to bottom and base in this area here. I think you have a few months, so you have plenty of time to study the fundamentals. Relative strength index looks like it's bottoming and basing here. This is kind of interesting with a longer term upward trend. Moving down into the stochastics, pretty much the same thing. You see the fast line just creating a fishhook here. Perhaps a bottom is in place here within the next few months, and then maybe the fast line heads on up through that slow line. Just keep watching. You have time. Same thing here in the Williams. Bottoming and basing, very early stages. Back up to the price chart. One more look at the price chart, and I think you have plenty of time to study the fundamentals because it's your risk. ChewDog out.